Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a huge Sephora haul. Like, this is probably going to be the biggest haul of my channel. And just to let you know, the sale is coming up. So you're either getting 20, 15, or 10% off during the VIB sale. Since I do work at Sephora, I already did my shopping early. So if you guys want to see all the best like holiday kits and deals, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with my first two holiday sets by Fenty Beauty. I got these two babies right here. How stunning is the packaging as well. So the first one is like a peach duo. It comes with, it's called Resting Peach Face. It comes with a cream blush and a mini gloss bomb cream duo. Like, that is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Okay, so this is the cream gloss bomb. And this is the color. It is so pigmented and so like pretty. Like, I'm shook. And this is like a really good size because I go through these like pretty slow. I don't need like a full size of it. Then the other one is called Peach Face, and it comes with like a nice mirror, and this is like a good amount. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys too because I know I'm gonna be keeping and using this one. And it looks like that. So that's the duo, super pretty, and this retails for $25. Next up is this other Fenty holiday kit. This one is called Glossy Posse Fantasy Foursome. I'm gonna double check the price of this. This one here is $38 for everything in here. It comes with a full-size cream gloss, and then the other ones are kind of like lip luminizers, like the originals. I'm not gonna swatch these right now, but this one I believe is a limited edition. It's in Candy Milk. Then we have Fantasy Glow, Hot Chocolate, and Champ Stamp. So this is just like a really nice gift if you want someone who's kind of like new to makeup and wants to try glosses and you have a variety in here. It's a steal. Next up is this Clinique Duo. Again, another kit. This retails for $9.50 and you get two shades. So we have the original Black Honey, and then the other one is Pink Honey. So they look like this. In my previous video, I did swatch Black Honey if you want to see it. And then the Pink Honey is just like slightly lighter, or a lot lighter. But yeah, I think this is gonna be a gift. It's so cute, and it's like two mini sizes of like really popular lip balms. So yeah. Okay, so when I saw this at my store, I literally just bought it the day of because I knew it was gonna sell out. This is like a cute little lash ornament from Shiseido. It is a limited edition of their lash curler, which is absolutely like a top seller, and it comes with a lash serum. So it's a pretty nice set. When you do open it up, it just comes with the original like why was I gonna say mascara? Lash curler packaging, and then the, oh cool, comes with a little sample of their skincare. And then it also comes with the lash serum, which I've never tried. I've actually never even heard of their serum, but it's a really good deal for both of these items. I feel like I'm gonna say that for every thing that I got. But this is $25 and it's supposed to be a $40 value. And then the lash serum comes in this little box. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to like some Sephora collection items. So this one right over here is a weighted eye mask. This is $12. I think I got it for $12, and it's not for me, it's a gift. So you can actually heat these up like in the microwave for like 10 seconds and put it over your eyes, and it's supposed to like give you some relaxation, you know. So I bought two. I bought two as like Christmas presents because I feel like these are gonna sell out pretty fast. Like $12 is a really good deal, but if they are online, make sure to grab these. They're good like stocking stuffers too, so you know. Okay, another Sephora collection item is this whole mask sheet set. It's called Holy Sheet. Clever. This was $48, and it's supposed to be a basically $100 value set because it does come with a variety of face masks for like literally everything. So we have like feet, face, hands, makeup wipes. These usually retail for like $3 to $6 each, and you're getting, how many are you getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You're getting 20 things in here. So what I like to do is literally split this up into like different gifts. Like if I'm making like stocking stuffers or like winter baskets or something like that, I'll take a few of them and just like split it, because it's a good like deal. I don't really want to open it yet, but in the back it also tells you what you're getting inside. But these from Sephora collection are really good. By the way, I bought 2 of them, and then I grabbed 2 like extra foot masks just for myself because I don't want to open the box yet, and I don't know, these are like good if you're like pampering yourself and stuff. So got these 2. Next up are going to be Sephora collection makeup items. These I was like super excited to like see in store just because it's been so long since we got like holiday specific like palettes and gloss kits and stuff like that. So the first one is this holiday palette called Wonderful Wishes. It was only $8. And then it came with these like super nice like neutral shadow shades. And then I believe oh yeah, it tells you how big it is, but let me show you guys some swatches. I actually swatched it earlier, but then I messed up, so I'm swatching it again. So it comes like this. It comes with a band, and then when you open it, it comes with 8 shades and a little mirror, which is so cute. You can definitely bring this on the go because it's like super tiny. And then the shades look like this. Super stunning. I really like the shimmer shades in here. The mattes you do have to build up, but I mean for $8 it's a pretty good deal. Next up is this like holiday lipstick set. It's called Holiday Vibes Lip Story Set. This retails for $20, but you are getting like 4 different like shades, and I'm not gonna lie, I got it because of this like dog packaging. It's just so cute. I'm literally the biggest sucker for packaging, and this just like, I don't know, I just had to grab it. I'm not gonna swatch it, but it does come with like a red, nude, a really shimmery shade, and then like a dark maroon. You can see it online as well, but a really cute set to like divide for stocking stuffers or winter baskets and stuff like that. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna gift it. Maybe I'll keep this one and then give some to like my mom or something. Okay, this is everything. I couldn't find the price to this one. I believe it was like maybe $16 or $20, but it comes with 3 nice like nude glosses. But yeah, it's like the price of 2, and then you get like 1 for free. So pretty. They're not like the best glosses just because they do kind of like feel a little sticky, which I don't like, but I don't know, it's cute. If you want to give these a try, might as well grab the set, and they're like full size. Okay, so when I saw these in store, I lightweight freaked out because they're a Lily Lash times Sephora collection holiday collab. How cute. I know it's kind of like blinding you guys. Let me take it out of the little packaging real quick. This was, I believe, this was $15. It is a Sephora exclusive. So this one right here is in mistletoe, and let's see if you guys can see this. This is what the lash looks like, more on like the natural side, but still a little dramatic. And then the other one is called Slade. How cute. And it looks like this. I know you guys can't really see it on here. Oh wait, there you go. This is Slade, and let me show this one again. And this one is called Mistletoe. But yeah, they're literally half of what the original Miami lash, not Miami lashes, the Lily lashes, which I did buy. So let me get to that right now. Right now I am wearing the Miami lashes, but my favorite are the Mykonos, which is a like really thick lash band thingy. They're fluffy and they're thick, but they're really nice. So I got this, and I got the Miami ones I'm wearing, and then later on they came out with like a whole set. So this lash set is such a steal if you're getting the Miami lashes by itself, because this whole thing is $28. It comes with like a liner glue adhesive thing. It's called the Power Couple set, and yeah, it's literally the same exact lashes I'm wearing right now. For $28 you get 2 items. So watch out for this set. I don't know if they're gonna get like a lot in store, but definitely get them online. I'm also not going in any specific order. So next up is some hair products. I got the Olaplex #4, which is purple shampoo. I actually have everything from Olaplex It's great for like literally colored hair, damaged hair. Try Olaplex. They also have a holiday set. I didn't grab it because, well, you'll see why, but it comes with 2 full-size products, which is the number 3 and the number 7, and it comes with deluxe sizes of the shampoo and conditioner. So it's $60 for everything, by the way, so check that out. But I did grab the Olaplex number 4 purple shampoo. I really want to try this. My coworker said it's bomb, and they both have like really nice blonde hair, so I'm gonna give it a try. The reason why I didn't grab the kit was because I got this limited edition Olaplex number 3, and this is basically a huge bonus size, so I didn't want to grab the kit and get like just a regular size. I wanted this like full size, and this actually does wonders. The number 8 is what I'm currently using as well, but I feel like number 3 really does the trick, so it's a really good treatment. I would definitely stock up on this if you guys like it as much as I do. And for prices, this is $28 and the number 3 is $56, because I believe the original is 28 as well, so this is 56. I feel like this is a never-ending haul because my camera is about to die, but okay. So the next thing, I actually got this a while ago, but this is the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions palette. If you are down to splurge on like a really good palette, this is the one. It has 2 creams and the rest are like shimmer and mattes, but let me show you. The packaging is stunning, first of all, and then these are the shades. Like, can we just take a moment to see how beautiful that is? And then the cream comes in this like little store thingy. So beautiful. I believe it's like $68 maybe, but you know, during the sale, just grab it. Then the most recent item that Patrick Ta came out with is the blush palette, and I've been really into blushes, guys. Like, blushes have been like my favorite product to apply in the morning. I don't know, I've just really been into it recently. So same concept, it kind of looks, it's actually literally the same packaging, but it looks like this. So pretty. This was 68, so that's why I'm assuming the other one was 68, but so beautiful. I did swatch it in store and I literally fell in love. Wait, I don't know why I put it away so fast, but it does come with 3 creams and then 3 powders. So they're not like exactly the same color, so you can switch it up, but I don't know, they just look so beautiful. And yeah, I should have applied them today, but it's okay. As if I needed more blushes, guys, this is the Sephora collection clean line. If you guys don't know about it, they do have like a clean makeup line, so this is what it looks like. And then when you open up inside, these are the blushes. They kind of look similar to the Patrick Ta, not gonna lie, but I'm pretty sure these don't last as long. But I just wanted to grab it just because look at that. Last blush product I bought was this Rare Beauty kit. It comes with 3 liquid blushes, mini of course. It's called the Soft Pinch Blush Trio. I'm really excited to try these out, but they're pretty small. I heard with these you don't even need a lot, so they're like these sizes right over here. It's in the it's in the color Bliss, Hope, and Peace. I'm really excited to try this one. Like the peachy tones are like my favorite. So we got 3 nice ones. So the Rare Beauty blush trio set is $25. That is such a good deal. That is like the price of one, but it's not like you're gonna use that like big tube of blush like forever. So I like how you get like a variety and it's a good price. And then if you guys are interested in knowing what concealer I use, this is my Ride or Die concealer. It is the Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer in Almond. So that's my shade, but that's literally how I get like nice like under eyes. Like, you know, I get a lot of compliments on my makeup, so thank you guys. This is my secret. This was $15, but it's the mini Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter foundation. You could use this under a foundation or you can use it alone. I got it in the shade 4.5, so it looks like that. I'm just gonna kind of swatch it, but it gives you that like nice glow, and I can't wait to wear this under my Born This Way foundation and concealer. I think it's really gonna change up the game, but I didn't want the full size. I just wanted like a really nice mini one. So if you guys are interested in that, try like the deluxe size first. And another thing I'm wearing right now, I had to pick up the Dior, what is it called? The lip glow. I got mine in beige, so it looks like this. First of all, packaging is amazing. This is the shade, or literally what I'm wearing right now. Beige is an online exclusive, so get it online, but there's other shades like rosewood, pink, that are like as pretty, so you get those in store. And they retail for like, I believe it's like 30 to 20. Let me double check. Okay, JK, they retail for $35, but I swear it's worth it. Like, grab one of these. I also have like more Dior products I could show here, but that would just like take forever, so I just picked my favorite Dior products to show you guys. And the very last things you guys should grab, and what I bought, were these like Sephora favorites kits. I did a more in-depth video on it on my last one, so check that out. But the lip kit, the clean kit, and the hair kit one. Okay, I'm not gonna lift it because it's too heavy, but make sure to grab these as well because they're such a good deal and you get so many products in them. Okay, I think we finally made it to the end. If you guys stayed to like the end, thank you. I hope you guys like are adding this on your cart right now because the sale is not, this is like a once a year type of thing and you guys need to take advantage of it. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it and I hope this helped. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.